Lunch in Metaxa, 12 stars at Dante, it's a great experience because Naren Young is a very good friend of ours and he's always involved in great projects. So working with him, collaborating with him, it's one of the best things that we can do.
My name is Naren Young. I'm the creative director here at Dante in New York City, a very famous, iconic place here in Greenwich Village.
My name is Vasilis Kiritsis. I'm co-owner of the Clumsies and the new bar that we recently opened called Senyos, and I'm coming from Athens.
Our relationship with the Clumsies has been, over the last kind of 3 to 4 years. We've just, a lot of the top bars around the world are good mates. We're good friends. We hang out socially. We go to bar shows. We hang out. So they invited us over to do a pop-up there about 3 years ago. I go to Athens probably once or twice a year, so I'm always either hanging out in their bars or just meeting up with these guys, all around the world. And they've just become really good close mates.
So the partnership between Clumsies and Metaxa Greek Spirit came because both of them are strong Greek brand names. And we want to connect our powers in order to make the Greek spirit more famous around the world.
Everybody loves the Clumsies. I mean, it is such a special place. They have this wonderful Greek hospitality. The staff are amazing. The drinks are fantastic. It's a high-volume place with great energy, and but it really has this nice intimacy to it. And I think that a lot of that comes from the staff, the service, and it's just a really awesome bar. Definitely one of the world's best bars, and it's easy to see why.
What is the Greek spirit? The Greek spirit for me is the way that we host people, Hospitality was always and will be always the key, especially for the food and beverage industry. So I totally believe that Greeks represent that spirit so well.